myself. I will. So this is Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation English Medium. This is fifth standard online class. I am from New Mahim Municipal English Upper Primary School. My name is Ganesh Sudham Kule. Our administrative officer is Ms. Snehalata Domre Madam. Nodal field officer is Ravi Kurade sir. Nodal HM is Pushpa Mary Paul Madam. Assistant Nodal HM is Manpreet Anand Madam. CNO is Mr. Ratilal Kishan Burunbuli sir. So, students, if you mute yourself, it will better for everyone. And if you have doubt, you can ask, you can unmute. Otherwise, keep your mic on mute. So there will be no disturbance from your side. So keep mute yourself, and if you have any queries, any doubt, you can unmute. Otherwise, keep your mic on mute. So students, thought for the day is you learn something every day if you pay attention. So it is very good thought that you learn something every day, but condition is that requirement is that you have to pay attention. So whenever you pay attention, you learn something, you gain something, you study. So students, I hope you pay attention to learn
Yes,
today's
teacher.
EPS lesson. So here two pictures are there, A and B. So first picture, what do you see? What do you observe in first A picture? What is there? You can see the earth, you can see buildings, aeroplane, then greenery, trees, plants, ocean, mountain, volcano, air, sun rays, cloud, uh, then a hot air balloon is there, helicopter is there. In B part, it is something kept in balanced position. So it is balancing a stone is balanced on wood log, and another stone is there, and two round shaped stones are kept there. So students, this is something balanced, and first is in altogether it is your environment. So whatever is exist around you in surrounding, that is environment. So students, today we are going to see, going to learn lesson
थोड़ा हड़पन पानी के
the
जाता
environmental balance. Environmental balance. So students, let's start. Okay students, let's observe this picture. Uh, what do you observe in this picture? Yes, anyone can tell me. You can unmute and tell me. What do you observe in this picture? What do you see in this picture?
teacher. Teacher, one dog and a girl
Yes, human beings are there. These
and
are
a
human beings. Dog, animal is there. Then,
and rabbit,
correct,
fishes,
rabbit, frog,
fish and cow
fishes,
and
bull. Then here, deer, trees,
tree.
grass, here mountain, bird, big tree, then cloud. So these are
Village.
the, yes, village houses are there. So these are the prompt easily observable pictures you can see over here. At the same time, you see these stones. At the same time, you see this mountain, this cloud. These are sun rays, butterfly, and can there can be many more things which are very small in size. Okay. So you have observed, you have seen different type of colors, different type of living things, different type of non-living things are there. Okay, students. So these are the some living things which live inside the soil, or you can see some birds.
Yes,
They
sir.
burrow in the ground and they live there. These are the birds. You can say these are the eagle. They live at the top of the mountain or top of the hill. So here you observe this another living things here. Ant hill is there, honeycomb is there,
Oh,
some small insects are also there, and which can't be observed
Mountain.
easily. Yes, it's not a mountain. These are the insects or living things which live inside the ground, inside the
that's so good.
soil. So, students, in this picture, you have not seen insects, these animals, because in this picture, they are inside the ground, they are inside the soil. And now if you observe closely, you can see many more insects, many more animals, many more birds which live inside the soil, inside the ground, inside the earth. So, students, can you say uh, this insect, this inside the organism or the animal live inside the soil? Can they also in this picture? Possibility, yes or no? These small insects, ants, rats, can they be in this picture also? Yes or no? Small insects, small animals, birds, they can be also in this picture, but they are not visible as they are inside the ground. Okay, students. So these are microorganisms. These are microorganisms. Micro means very small, very small. Microorganism, just like you have seen the bacteria, virus, fungi, algae. These are microorganisms, means very small. You
Yeah.
can't see with your eyes. So these are microorganisms. So students, microorganism, these insects, these birds, these ants, they are also in this picture. Understood, student? So these are also in this picture, but you can't see as microorganisms are very small. That's just like a virus. You can say the current well-known the coronavirus. It is very small. You can't see with your naked eyes. You can't see with your eyes, but they are also present in this picture. Okay, students. Okay. So after observing this, you found living things, that is plants, animals,
Animal, bird,
birds,
water,
water animals, and
water animal,
microorganism.
macro,
Microorganism. Micro means very, very small. Organism means the living. Then
non
you have seen non-living thing, that is
stone,
stone, soil,
oil,
air, sun,
fire, sun, air.
etc. You have seen this non-living thing also. Then you have seen, student, dead things. Dead things means fallen leaf,
Leaf,
dead animal,
dead
dead
animal,
birds.
dead bird,
So suppose in first picture
building.
in that observation, there there might be a dead ants, there might be a dead rat,
Are
there might be a fallen leaf. So earlier they were living, but and they died. That's why they are dead now. So after this observation, you have seen you have seen this living thing, non-living thing, dead. So student, now biotic factor, biotic thing,
living,
all living, all living are called
are living.
biotic. All living are called biotic. Bio means life, student. Bio means bio means life. Bio means life. Micro means very, very small. And bio means life. Okay. Then abiotic, all non-living and dead things,
All
all
non-living
non-living and dead
things.
things are called abiotic. Abiotic. So student, pen is biotic or abiotic? Your pen is abiotic because it is non-living thing. Your window is biotic or abiotic? Window is also abiotic. Okay. So students, biodiversity. Biodiversity here. Students, bio means life and diversity means variety. Very, very different animals or different living things. That is called biodiversity. Students, here you can observe totally different type of animals. So you can see this living thing is bird, which fly in the sky. These are living animal, which live in the water. These are a polar bear which live in Arctic region, or you can see in polar region, or you can see in this in ice. And these are the deers.
Butterfly.
Yes, a butterfly also. So you can observe the total variety,
Owl.
different type of birds, different type of animals,
Deer.
different type of aquatic
Yeah.
animals, different type of terrestrial animal.
Snake.
So students, uh, this is called biodiversity. Biodiversity means different type of everything. Living things are different type. Small, yeah, microorganisms are different type. Birds are of different type. Plants are of different type. So this is called biodiversity. So biodiversity. So bio means, I have told you, bio means living. Bio means living. Diversity means variety, variety, differentness. That is called differentness. So, a variety in living thing, it is called biodiversity. Variety in living thing is called biodiversity. Understood, student? Okay. So, you have seen the different type of birds, different type of animals, different type of um, trees, different type of birds, different type of water animal, different type of microorganism. Animals live inside the soil. Animals which live on the tree. So you have seen everything. So are they similar? No, they are not similar. There are total variety of living things that is called a biodiversity. Understood? Once again, student, focus on this word biodiversity. Bio means life. Life means living thing. Diversity and a variety. Diversity means variety, differentness, many types of different types of living things, different types of birds, different type of animals, different type of plants, different type of trees, different type of fishes, different type of insects, different type of living things. It's called biodiversity. In biodiversity, you will not see similar type of living thing. You observe that there are many different type of living type of plants, animals, microorganism, birds. Okay, so you have seen, students, biodiversity. The variety of living things in particular area is called biodiversity. Okay, now see, students,
Environment.
the environment. The environment, uh,
Environment.
the environment, you can, whatever you see in your surrounding,
Surrounding.
surrounding means
Surrounding.
in your near area,
Near
whatever it is.
area.
Okay, but you can see both the things, living things and non-living things in that area is called your environment. Your environment, student. So if you observe any area, you can see both the things, living and non-living, living and non-living. So you can see both the things, living and non-living thing in any area, and this is called your environment, your surrounding, your near area. That is called the environment. Okay. So students, I am reading for you the surrounding and the conditions in those surrounding which affect the life of organism there are together known as their environment. Means, students, if you are living in some area, in that area both the things are there, living and non-living things, and that living and non-living things affect your life. Suppose I live in the jungle and there are only maximum mango trees. So that mango trees affect my life. I will in my food I will take many mangoes. In my food I will take mango juice. In my food I will take papad. So whatever is made up from mango, I prefer more. Okay. So that factor, that mango tree affect my life. There is impact of mango tree in my life. Suppose I live in the coastal region near the sea. that sea affect my life. In what sense? I will eat more seafood. I will eat fishes more, and I will travel through boat. I will travel through because that surrounding, that environment affect my life. That sea affect my life. Suppose I am living in mountain region. Suppose I am living in Himalaya. In Himalaya, there is a maximum time you will observe ice. The temperature is very, very low, and that temperature affect my life. And I wear hot clothes to keep my body warm, to keep ourselves alive. I will use the bonfire. I will use sweater. I will use blankets. To students, that life, that surrounding is affecting your life. Okay. So it includes many components such as sunlight, air, water, soil, plants, and animal. So students, this sunlight, air, water, plants, is all affect you, and this all together is called your environment. It is your environment. Okay, students, you can see this your environment here. Here in environment, both living and non-living things comes. Both living and non-living things comes. Here you observe these animals, this another animal, that is this pig, and this is turtle, plant, trees, flower, sun, cloud, bird, mountain, hill. Oh, this is wood log. These are microorganism. This frog. Some plants are living in the water. This is soil. All together is called environment. So students, here some living things are also there, some non-living things are also there. Students, so this is called your environment. Whatever, suppose environment of Mumbai. So I'm live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. So the buildings, the road, the plants, trees, the anything around me, anything surrounding me, it is my environment. In your nearby area, whatever is there, whatever I said, whatever जो कुछ भी है, that is your environment. Okay, students. Students, see this. This is a tree. Tree is eaten by deer, and deer is eaten by
Lion.
lion. So
Flower.
tree is eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by lion.
Lion.
Okay. Now here next,
Flowers.
flower is eaten by flies
Fly.
or butterflies, and
Snake.
butterflies are eaten by frog. Frog is eaten by
Snake.
snake. Snake is eaten by
Eagle.
eagle. Here some plants, trees are there inside the
Flower.
water. Inside the water. These are the, see, these are the inside the water. These are inside the water. And these
Fish.
small plants are eaten by small fishes.
Small
Small
fishes.
fishes are eaten by large fishes, and large fishes are eaten by birds. So, students, if you observe, this is a food of deer, and deer is food of sorry, deer is food of lion. Flower is food of butterfly, Butterfly is food of frog. Frog is food of snake. Snake is food of eagle. So students, these are depending on one another. Here, these plants, small plants, are eaten by fish. So these small plants are the food of small fish. Small fish is a food of big fish, and big fish are eaten by birds. So students, you observe these at first stage, it is a tree. Here a flower means it is also plant, and here also flower means it is also plant. So tree is a food of deer. Deer is a food of lion. Flower in second, here flower is a food of flies or butterfly. Butterfly is a food of frog. Frog is a food of snake. Snake is a food of eagle. Here flowers inside the uh, inside the water, that is aquatic plants, is a food of small fishes. Small fishes is a food of large fish. Large fish is the food of bird. So student, here you can see, you can observe the food is, this is a food of this is a food of this. So student, but if you observe this at the first step, you can see only plants here at first step. Keep it in mind. This is important. At the initial stage, this is the first step where you can see only plants or you can see the trees. Okay, student, here it is a food chain. What is? It is a food chain. Why? Because this food is of this. This is a food 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 of this. So it is a food chain. It is food chain. Understood, student? Food chain. But
Yes,
at
sir.
the initial step, you have observed there is a plant or tree. You have seen there. Keep it in mind. Okay, students. So this is a food chain. It is a food, 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 food. This is food of this. This is food of this. This is a food of this. This is just like a chain of food. It is, that's why it is called the food chain. Now see student here. This is at initial stage. Again, you can see here it is a grass. So what I told, at initial stage, you observe only plants, trees, grass. जो कुछ भी living thing है, but in that at first step you can see a plant, tree or grass. So this grass is eaten by rabbit, rabbit is eaten by fox. In another way, grass is eaten by rabbit, rabbit is eaten by hawk, or you can say eagle. Third way, you can say grass is eaten by mouse, mouse is eaten by owl. Again, grass is eaten by mouse, mouse is eaten by fox. This is another food chain. Grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by bird, bird is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by hawk.
Yes, sir.
Again,
Yes.
grasshopper, grass is a food of grasshopper, Grasshopper is a food of frog. Frog is a food of owl. And frog is a food of snake also. So student, you have observed many food chain. Many food chain. You have observed different type of food chain. In this picture here, student, one food chain is there. This is another food chain. This is another different food chain. But student, here in this picture you have observed many food chain, many food chain, and this food chain are interacting with one another. Understood? In this here you have observed many food chain, and uh, these food chain are interacting each other, that is called food web. Student, understood? Food web. Web means जाल, जाला है ये, that is called food web. Here you can see many different types of, here this is food chain. It is a very simple, it is very simple, though here you can observe three food chain, but they are not interacting one another. So these are simple food chain. But here, student, you observe many food chain interacting each other. That is called food web. This is called food web. Okay. So the food web formed by interlinking of several food chain. Several means many. Many food chain interlinking each other. This is called food web. This is called food web. Understood, student? This is called food web. So there is a difference between food chain and food web. Food chain, many food chain interlinking each other to form food web. Many food chain come together to form food web. Understood? Many food chain come together to form food web. Okay. Student, here in food chain, you can see the producer. Producer means here you can see the plants, trees, grass, grass. These are producer because they produce food, and these are consumer. They eat the producer. Consumer eat the producer. These are producer. And decomposer. Decomposer means if these die, when these dies, decomposer decompose them, उसको सड़ा देते हैं and decompose कर देते हैं. That is called decomposer. Suppose this cock dies, this decomposer dies, and if this dies, these decomposers uh, decompose them. Decompose करना means उनको सड़ा देना, and that will convert into soil. If some rat dies, after 10 to 20 days, that rat is converted into soil. That is called decomposers. Producers produce food. So, student, the most important food in food chain is plant. This is very important. The most important thing is plant. You can say grass, you can say tree, you can say fruit, you can say flower. So everything is made up of um, made from plants. So plant is the important thing. So student, food making by plant is called photosynthesis. Food making by plant is called photosynthesis. You can see
The
student, this is
photo means light now.
photosynthesis. Photo means light, correct. Photo means light. So this is plant with the help of, this is soil, this is water. With the help of soil and water, with the help of carbon dioxide, with the help of sunlight, these plants makes food. So first thing soil, second thing water, third thing carbon dioxide, fourth thing
In
light.
sunlight
So
and
using
so
these
there
four
will be
things,
oxygen also.
plants make their food. That is called photosynthesis and gives
Photosynthesis.
oxygen. So okay student, so this is a food chain, this is a food chain, this is plant, sorry, you can say leaf, and here it is missing. So suppose one thing is missing, then this bird will not get food because this is missing. And if this is not getting food, this will die. And if this will die, this will also die. And this is missing means you can see many plants over there, only plants over there. So this will make imbalance. Okay students, in this way this dies, plants dies, and this is leaf, and leaf, it is wrapped inside the plastic, and now it is giving this water vapor to the environment, water vapor to the environment.
And
Okay students, you can see the food chain here. Whatever grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is
it's
eaten
like
by
eagle.
eagle. And if eagle dies, of course it will die, that will convert into soil, and soil help to the plant. So this is a food chain. Okay students, let's revise. uh, Give some example of biotic and abiotic. Biotic thing means living things. Abiotic means non-living
Living
things.
thing.
Okay,
Abiotic means non-living.
non-living things. So give the example of biotic.
So like man and
Correct. Abiotic.
yes, man.
Abiotic. Example of,
Abiotic fan,
okay, very
car,
good. Correct. Okay. Food making by plant is called, the process is called,
chin,
food making by plant, this process is called
photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. The interconnected food chain. Many food chain are interconnected. Is called
Chin.
food web. It is called
Food.
food
Sorry.
web. Okay. Who is the producer in the food chain? Who is producer in the food chain?
Biotic.
No, that is plants. Plants are producer in the food chain. Okay. Students, next question. Bio means what?
Living thing.
Yes, living thing. And diversity means, diversity means
No, I am joining just the
variety.
class.
Diversity means Variety.
Okay.
Okay. In food
In the
chain,
photo chain,
P means producer. P means
producer,
C means
carbon dioxide,
consumer, and D means decomposer.
decomposer. I know
Composer.
meanings of decomposer.
Okay, students, it is your homework. You have to make food chain of frog, kite, worm, snake, grass. This is kite. It is a bird. Student, this kite is not this kite. Flying wala kite.
Sir,
nahi, it
I
is a
tell you answer
bird.
first. There will be grass,
Okay, it is your
frog.
homework, student. It is your homework, and draw in your notebook. Okay,
Okay.
students.
Cup
I
of
hope you understood this. Okay, thank you, students. All the best. Do study regularly. Take care, and bye bye.